Hello friend, welcome back to NH Drawing. Today we will draw lipsticks with rainbow colors. So let's start the drawing. First of all, draw a lipstick. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for the new video notification. Draw the outline very fast. Draw the some circle. Now will we draw some hearts? Red color, orange color, green color, sky blue color, red color, orange color, green color, sky blue color, purple color, yellow color, pink color, light green color, light sky blue color, light purple color, brown color,